Do you want to earn money fast? Are you looking for ways to make $100 by working online? There are so many ways to earn money quickly where you are in the comfort of your own home. If you have been wondering on how to earn quick money, here are the ways to earn money. 1. Start a dropshipping business. This is one of the quickest ways to earn your first $100. You will sell goods you don't manufacture, store, or import. All you need to do is to run ads, get the customer that want the products, send the order to the manufacturer for supply, and get your commission. 2. Sell or rent your clothes. Just like every other person, you will likely have more than enough unused clothes of yours or your relatives. You can make money by selling these clothes to those who need them. This is an easy way to earn. All you need to do is to post it on your social media for those who are interested to contact you. 3. Work as a virtual assistant. A lot of entrepreneur and business executives are looking for people that will help them with their assignment, like replying to emails, post and update social media accounts, and manage their schedules. With the help of the internet, you can do this from the comfort of your home and start earning money. 4. Start pet sitting. Pet sitting is another great and quick way to earn your first $100 from your home. A lot of people have problems taking care of their pets when they're busy or away at work. 5. Teach lessons online. With the help of the internet, you can earn money by teaching online. It could be anything you know how to do and that people are ready to learn and pay for it. 6. Take a survey. Taking surveys online is another quick way to earn money. Although surveys only generate small amounts of money, but if done consistently, you can earn your first $100 from taking surveys. 7. Start blogging. Do you have a knack for writing? If you're the type that's ready to share your experience through writing, blogging might be your fast lane to earn money quickly. 8. Freelance writing. Working as a freelance writer on marketplaces like Fiverr or Upwork is a fast way to earn quick money. Many digital marketers or business owners turn to those online marketplaces for their content creating services. 9. Sell stock photography. Do you have a skill or passion for taking great photos? If yes, that could be your way to earn money. You can sell your photographs on sites that may be looking for contributors. 10. Sell your merchandise. Selling your personalized items like t-shirts, art, or design on places like Shopify or Etsy to your family, friends, and social media followers is another way to make quick money. 11. Product testing. A lot of manufacturers are looking for people to test their products before the market launch. This can make quick money as you can register to use the product and give your reviews. 12. Proofreading. If you have an eye for detail and proficiency in grammar, you can earn quick money by working as a proofreader for writers and authors. 13. Selling ebooks. With the help of the internet, you can make quick money online by selling ebooks. Authors are always in need of people to help sell their ebooks for commission. 14. Do web design. If you have skills in web designing, you can make your first $100 quickly online by helping people like digital marketers develop and create their website. 15. Data entry. This is another way to earn quick money online. If you have a higher typing speed than the average person, this can earn you money by working remotely for organizations that's in need of such services. 16. Start a YouTube channel. Do you want to start making money online like FazeRug? You might consider starting your own YouTube channel. You can start making money once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. 17. Language instructor. Do you speak more than one language? You can start making money by teaching these languages to people who want to learn. The ability to teach clearly and concisely is a must in this job. 18. Flip websites. Buying and selling of domain names and websites are another quick way to earn money. You make money by selling at a higher price while buying at lower prices. 19. Become a travel agent. You can earn quick money by helping travelers book hotel reservations, buying traveling tickets to visit tourist sites, and you can also help them with the guide to the tourist sites. 20. Babysitting. Babysitting for those who are busy with work is another quick way to earn your first $100. You just have to create a space in your own house to take care of the babies, while charging hourly fees. 21. Test websites and apps. Before its final launch, website owners always want to test the performance of the app and websites. You can earn money by testing the app and give your reviews. 22. Online transcribing. Transcribing video clips into words or articles is another way to earn money. If you have the necessary skills, you can earn from this too. 23. Gym instructor. Are you fit and ready to teach others how to be fit too? You can also make money by working as a private or personal gym instructor for those who want to exercise and be fit. 24. Start an online course. Do you have any ideas that you can teach people in an entertaining and educative way? You can earn money for this by turning your idea into an online course for people to purchase. 25. Start affiliate marketing. If you have selling and marketing skills, you can earn money from selling another person's products online for commission. This is a popular making money online model. 26. Self-publish. Do you have an idea that you can turn into a book for others to read? You can self-publish your books on Amazon KDP for money. This is a quick way to earn your first $100. 27. Copywriting. Copywriting is a way of selling in print. If you have a passion for selling by using words, you can make money for writing sales copy for business owners in the digital marketing niche. 28. Become an influencer. The fast and easy way to earn money quickly is monetizing your media followers by promoting brands to your followers for a commission. 29. Social media manager. If you are tech or social media savvy, you can start earning quick money by helping entrepreneurs or business owners to manage their social media channels. And finally, number 30, teach music online. Do you know how to play a musical instrument like the piano, guitar, or flute? You can earn money for organizing music lessons for youth and adults who want to learn how to play instruments. Earning your first $100 is not difficult for those who know how to make a quick buck online. What is important is the skill and patience required to earn such money, as there are a lot of ways to earn. Please subscribe, share, and comment below if you have a plan of your own to become debt-free. You've been awesome. Until next time.